Today we're reviewing the Urnex coffee machine cleaning powder. We'll be using it to clean our Technivorm Mocha Master. The packets look like this. You'll mix it in the water chamber with about 4 cups of warm water. Inside the packet, this is what the powder looks like. Now we'll add it to the warm water and give it a stir. Now we'll turn on the coffee maker and let it run through the system once. After it's complete, we'll run it 2 more times with clean water. This is what the container looks like after the first run. Overall, this is very easy to use, doesn't leave any residual smell, and works great. Hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.